Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to Life Lessons Stories. I'm your host, Sarah. Today we must not think about the past, do not dream about the future, focus on the present moment. There is a heartwarming story that is beautifully depicted. Once upon a time in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and beside a glistening river, there lived a wise old man named Master Tao. Master Tao was renowned throughout the village for his wisdom and serenity. He had a saying that he often shared with the villagers: don't dwell on the past, don't dream about the future, focus on the present moment. The village was filled with hardworking people who always had one foot in the past and one in the future. They often spoke of the glory days of the village and dreamed of a prosperous future. As a result, they found it challenging to fully enjoy the beauty of the present moment. One sunny morning, a young man named Liang decided to seek guidance from Master Tao. He had been feeling overwhelmed by the pressures of life and couldn't help but dwell on past mistakes and worry about what the future held. Liang found Master Tao sitting under a towering oak tree, quietly sipping tea. He approached the wise man and said, "Master Tao, I am plagued by my past regrets and consumed by anxiety about the future. Please, help me find peace." Master Tao smiled warmly and gestured for Liang to sit beside him. He poured a cup of tea and said, "Liang, my dear friend, you carry a heavy burden by dwelling on the past and dreaming of the future. Let me tell you a story." Master Tao began to tell Liang about a young bird named May who lived in their village. May was a brilliant singer, and her melodious tunes brought joy to everyone who heard her. However, May was always worried about her songs. She fretted about the notes she missed in the past and feared that her songs wouldn't be good enough in the future. One day, as May was perched on a branch, a wise old owl overheard her singing and approached her. The owl said, "May, your songs are beautiful, but you seem troubled. Why do you carry the weight of the past and the uncertainty of the future? Sing for the joy of singing, and your music will be even more beautiful." Liang listened intently to Master Tao's story, and a realization began to dawn upon him. He said, "So, Master Tao, you mean to say that I should focus on the present moment, just like May should sing for the joy of singing?" Master Tao nodded and replied, "Exactly, Liang. The past is gone, and the future is uncertain. We cannot change what has already happened, and we cannot predict what lies ahead. But we can savor the present moment, the only moment we truly possess. By doing so, we can find peace and joy in the simple act of living." Liang thanked Master Tao for his wisdom and left with a newfound sense of clarity. From that day on, he made a conscious effort to let go of the past, release his worries about the future, and embrace the beauty of the present moment. As he did so, he found that life became more vibrant and meaningful, just like May's songs that echoed through the village, filled with the pure joy of the present. Thank you for joining us on Life Lesson Stories. Remember, it's the ripples of kindness we create that can change the world. If you have a heartwarming story to share, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Until next time, take care, and keep spreading love and compassion.